Welcome to Garden Quilt in Our Traditions, where family is everything and food is always included. Here we're celebrating Cam's graduation from middle school. Family is everything to us. Here we are making a little garden, a palette garden. He liked red, so he painted his red and put his own seedlings and plants inside. The kids and Nana all like animals, and here he is with Mr. Hershey's daughter. He's 14 years old now, 6 feet tall, and a pretty good basketball player. He was co-MVP of his team this year, and when he received his trophy, he brought it home, took it in Grandma's room so that Grandma could see it. Oh, was she excited to see his trophy, his medal, and his ring. These are pictures of Cam, pre-kindergarten, 6th grade, and now 8th grade, 6 feet tall. Oh yes, he had his mustache trimmed for his graduation. Huh, really? Mustache Cameron? So Nana made his favorite dessert, blueberry cobbler. This is a simple pie to make. You melt 1 stick of butter in an 8x8 pan. I doubled it because I made a family recipe, so I'm using more or less a 10x13 pan, and I put 2 sticks of butter. You melt that in the oven, as I said, 350 degrees. To make the topping, you take 1 cup of self-rising flour. You can use my recipe that I gave you for the last video, or you can buy it from the store. 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of milk, or I like to use Carnation milk because I don't usually have milk on hand. You will need 2 to 3 cups of blueberries with the juice. I like to put a little vanilla flavoring in mine and a pinch of cinnamon. After you put the topping in the melted butter, you spoon the blueberries on top. You don't mix it. Whatever you do, don't mix it. The topping will actually rise to the top of the crust while you're baking it. Carefully spoon it. Make sure you don't let it splash on you because it will be hot. And you see, I have a 4-cup container. If you're doing a smaller recipe in the 8x8, you'll have 2 cups. I had 4 cups with some juice. Then you take a spoon of sugar that you left to the side and you sprinkle it across the top of the cobbler. I made a double recipe, so I use 2 spoons. Tablespoons, that is. Then you put the pie in the oven, the cobbler, for 50 minutes. Check at about 45. And you will end up with a nice golden crust. It will be crispy on the top. When we took this one out, took it to the house, after dinner, we had a cake from the store, but of course the family wanted the cobbler. Grandma got the first slice. It was still warm. It was delicious. Peace, love, and blessings to everyone. This is how to make a blueberry cobbler from scratch. Love you. Ego amo te.